We got the Logitech G502 X gaming mouse. Let's get unboxing. I got a new thing. Today we got the Logitech G502 X. It's an upgrade from my old Logitech G502 Hero. They do share a lot of similarities. One thing that's really that I've noticed that this doesn't have, but that one does, is it does not have customizable weight. The Logitech G502 Hero had adjustable weight, like little vectors you could put into the mouse itself. This one no longer has this, but it has a weight reduction, so we go down from 121 grams down to 89 grams. So you got almost, was that 31 grams of difference in weight. Also, what I really like about this is right here, the sniper button. Before, on the Logitech G502 Hero, you couldn't remove this. Now, this little thing, take right off there. It's got a little doohickey you put on top there. No longer, if you're not playing a game, an FPS, a game, you don't need a sniper button. Because what a sniper button does is, for those who don't know, it reduces the DPI so you can get more accurate shots. The Logitech G502 X also has the PTFE low friction feet, just like the Hero, which is great. I love these things. It's real smooth. If you go over here, you're just like, we'll add that in later. One thing I do like about the Logitech G502 X is it comes in 3 varieties. You have the wired version for about 60 bucks. Then you have the wireless version for $120. Then hold on to your socks. You got the RGB version for $150. You wanna know what the difference is? RGB. I'll stick with my wired one, not the wireless one. Especially I'm not spending an extra $80 for RGB. Some great features about this. Like I said, it still comes with a 25K sensor. So you get a total DPI feature of 25,600K. It's freaking smoking. I can't move my hands that fast. That's like real, like you barely touch that thing and it's going across over to the moon. This gaming mouse also has 13 programmable controls, which is great. For people, you know, if you're playing like World of Warcraft, League of Legends, you don't want to have, you have like 17 different buttons to use. Well, you don't have to use them all in your left hand. You can add them to here. So you can be like, oh, I'm flashing. Oh, I'm using stealth or whatever. Also, this has some new technology. What this gaming mouse has over the Logitech 502 Hero is the Light Force optical mechanical hybrid switches. These are a really big improvement. They give you a lot more response time. If we want to go more on the ergonomics, it feels great. It's just like the other one. It feels really good in the hand. A little bit of problems I have with it is a little bit narrow on this button, because if you can see these 2 buttons right here, well, these 2 buttons right here, kind of it's easy to fat finger them. It does have an infinity scroll, which is great. Everybody loves that. It's real easy to switch it off too. Honestly, I really like this mouse. If you're looking for a high quality mouse that's gonna supply you for almost a wide variety of gaming, I would go with a Logitech. I've always loved Logitechs, especially this new one, the upgrade from the Logitech G502 Hero to the G502 X. Let me know in the comments below whether you agree with me or disagree with me, and send me some ideas on what you would like to see us review in the future. This is Next Edge Check. Like and subscribe below. Let me know whether you agree with me or disagree. Remember, tell me in the comments.